B-Boy Konstantin from Lithuania, and today I want to share with you one transition, which is a transition from back rocks to either turtle or headstand. Why I want to share this transition? Because it's quite easy to do it, but that one little detail can give you a lot of explosivity, can give you more freedom to change levels. I learned this from one guy in Italy. I don't remember his name very well. That guy learned from B-Boy Negin, as far as I know. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it, I hope you use it, because for me this transition changed a lot. Yeah, it gave me a lot of freedom to dance and stuff like that. So yeah, enjoy. Instead of like going from the back rocks to the side like this to the turtle, you know, we try to jump up with our legs. Right, so I do, and the next thing, I try to get over on my head, you know, like getting like this when I jump, you know. So I'm like jumping and also up, going on my head, okay. And then I rotate. To the side I want, okay. So this head turning will make all my level go the same way head goes, you know. On your head to the position you want. The turtle, okay, from your head, going up on your head, on the headstand, okay. Do the jump, you go on your head, and then you rotate. Jump on your head, rotate. So thanks for watching, guys, and let me know what you think in the comments below.